afternoon, grade 2. Good afternoon, kuya. Sige na ulit ako. My name is Kuya Adrian, pero pwede nyo na lang akong tawagin na, Kuya Ian. May babasahin ako dito na short story. Ang title niya, Grandma Mamita. Ulitin nyo nga. My Grandma Mamita. So, babasahin ko ito, tapos mamaya, magtatanong din ako ng mga question. So, pag may nakasagot sa inyo, bibigyan ko rin ng prizes. Ayan. 6-year-old Ganda is an only child. She is now in grade 1. She lives with her grandma. She calls her Mamita. Ilang taon na daw si Ganda? 6 years old. Tapos, grade 1 pa lang daw siya. Ganda's parents are in America. Grandma Mamita takes care of Ganda. She loves Ganda very much. And so, mahal na mahal ni Grandma Mamita si Ganda. Grandma Mamita and Ganda are very good friends. They play games together. They watch TV together. They read books together. And they do lots of things together. So, madami silang ginagawa. Lumalaro sila, nanonood ng TV, at madami pang iba. Every day, Grandma Mamita takes Ganda to school. So, hinahatid siya at sinusundo rin pagkahapon. Grandma kisses and hugs Ganda. At noon, Grandma Mamita fetches Ganda in school. They walk home together. And so, naglalakad lang sila pa uwi. Sometimes, they pass by a grocery store to buy goodies for Ganda. So, bumibili daw sila ng mga halimbawa mga candy, o mga pagkain, mga fruits, ganyan. So, Grandma Mamita buys some grapes, green apples, guava jelly, and crackers. So, dito sa picture na to, ano to? Grapes. Itong green na to, ano to? Apple. Very good.
Kana po ba?
Ganda helps Grandma prepare food for dinner. Oh, how they love to do things together. Yan. So, pagkakain na sila, tinutulungan ni Ganda si Grandma. Tapos, pagkagabi, at bedtime, Grandma Mamita gives Ganda a glass of warm milk. Binibigyan siya ng gatas. She tucks Ganda in bed. She reads to Ganda her favorite story, Good Night. Good night, my dear Ganda, says Grandma. Sleep tight. Good night, Grandma. I love you, Mamita. Ayan ang sinabi ni Ganda bago siya matulog. Yan, so, next day na, nagising na si Ganda. One morning, Ganda wakes up. Sabi niya, Grandma, where are you? Yan, tas she looks into the sala. She runs into Grandma's room and into the kitchen, but no Grandma Mamita to see. So, ano nangyari kay Grandma? Nawala. Yan. Ayan, umiiyak na si Ganda. Yan, Ganda cries. She cries and cries. Yan, hinahanap si Grandma. Tapos nakita niya ang uncle niya si Gabi. Uncle Gabi. Yan. Uncle Gabi comes and says in a sad voice, Grandma is sick. She is in the hospital. Yan, nagkasakit daw si Grandma Mamita. Nasa hospital na siya. Yan. Ganda feels so sad. She does not like to go to school. Dahil sa sobrang lungkot ni Ganda, dahil wala si Grandma Mamita, ayaw niya nang pumasok sa school. Yan. No grandma to make her peanut butter sandwiches. No grandma to give her a glass of lemon juice. Wala nang gumagawa sa kanya ng tinapay, wala nang bumibigay sa kanya ng juice. No grandma to take her to school. Wala na yung grandma na sasamahan siya papunta ng school. No grandma to kiss and hug her, and no grandma to read her a story. Ano ang ginawa ni Ganda? Pinagdasal. Then she says a prayer for Mamita. Dear God, please make Mamita get well soon. I love my Mamita. I really do. Yan, pinag-pray niya si Mamita na maging mawala na yung sakit niya, maging magaling na. Yan, not long after dumating na si Grandma, sabi ni Ganda. Grandma, it's you, my Mamita. I'm glad you're back at home. Ayan, so masaya na ulit si Ganda. Ganda is in her Grandma Mamita's arms again. Ayan, diyan nagtatapos yung story. Pabalik na si Grandma at malakas na ulit siya. So, naintindihan niyo yung story? Ulit, ano ang pangalan ni Grandma?
Mamita!
Mamita. Ano naman ang pangalan nung babae na bata?
Ganda!
Very good, naririnig. Sa pang-question para may prize. Bakit nawala si Grandma, Mamita?
Nagkasakit. Nagkasakit, tama lahat.
Lahat, mukhang lahat magkakaroon ng prize, Ayan, thank you. Susunod na story, si Kuya Ima naman.